Hi everyone, I will show you how to switch account in Messenger. First of all, you need to open your Messenger app and tap the three lines on the top left, and you need to tap to your profile name. There are four accounts. I will select any account and tap to continue. Now the account will be switched in Messenger. If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.